Hi everybody, Scott Kelby here from the Worldwide Photowalk, and I want to tell you about an accessory that I'm going to have with me. I've had with me for the last few years, will be with me on my Photowalk on Saturday, October 6th. It's this little bad boy right here, the Platypod Ultra. So what this is it's the thing you're going to use instead of a tripod because the world hates tripods. I don't know why there's an international cartel against tripods, but this is what you're going to use instead, and it is awesome. Now, I've been pretty much using this exclusively for like the last year or two, and I'm able to shoot in places with this that I would be stopped anywhere else. I've shot everywhere from Grand Central Terminal in New York City to St. Peter's Basilica in Rome, and people just look at it and go, ah, and they move along. I've never had anybody stop me using this except for one single occasion. I was in Lisbon in a library and I made the critical mistake of a friend said, hey, you've been shooting with it for 20 minutes and none of the guards care. Why don't you connect a cable release? Huge mistake. Once you connect a cable release, somebody goes, hey, wait a minute, that's a tripod. Outside of that one thing, I've never been stopped. Here's how it works. It's super easy. You're going to take this plate. By the way, this plate is made of aircraft aluminum. You're going to put a ball head on here, and I'm using an Oban ball head. You can use whatever ball head you have. I put everything on here from really right stuff ball heads to three-leg thing airheads. Doesn't really matter. Put a ball head on it. All right, then you put your body on there. Now I have an Arca Swiss plate on the bottom that fits on this particular ball head. Tighten it up with a little screw in the back, and you're ready to go. Now, I will generally make sure that I have this set up to where the lens, which is the heavier part, is on the long side of the plate like this. And there you go. This is your setup right here. Where would you use this? I use it everywhere. I use it on bridges, on the little ledge of a bridge. I use it on the floor of a church or an opera house. I use it at the base of a fountain when I want to do a long exposure. I do this pretty much put it any place that I would think to use a tripod. I will just place this. I placed it on security barriers. I placed it on rope and stanchion that was designed to keep me from going into an exhibit. I just put it here, take a look. This is in Lisbon where I go, oh look, there's a place to put my platypod, and I pop it right on there, and it's just awesome. It holds it still as anything. And what's nice about this is you can put this in places you could never fit a tripod. So for low angles, for tight to get in places and things like that. But really what it really does beautifully well is it keeps your camera very, very still, just like a tripod, without all the negative things of a tripod. Now there's some accessories that it comes with. If you get a Platypod Ultra, which is this really small one, and this thing was like a sensation on Kickstarter, comes with some accessories. So if you don't have a place to put it, you will want to use the strap. It comes with a little red strap. The strap fits around right in here. It goes around here. You can strap it to a pole or a railing or whatever you want. It straps right in there. Also, if you're outdoors, it's very possible that your Photowalk is outdoors. Maybe you want to put it on some rocks right by the water. I've done that. I've been in streams and put this on here. All you need to do is it comes with these little metal screws. You put them right through the bottom. There's holes right here. You put the screws inside, and these things will dig into the rocks and make it steady like you just cannot believe. So it comes with 4 of those, and also comes with a little carabiner so you can just carry it with you or attach it to your backpack or whatever you want. But the whole kit is ridiculously lightweight, easy to set up, and I actually even just walk around with it like this. Like I put my camera strap on here, and then when I'm ready to go, I take it out and I fire. If I want to take a shot, I can just set it down real quick. That's just me. I'm not telling everybody to do that. If you do that, make sure everything's really tight. Make sure your ball head's on there tight. Make sure everything's on there really tight. But I've done it so much, and no one blinks an eye. So, and look, it makes a nice rotating thing. If you don't already have a Platypod, you can pick up yours at, of course, platypod.com, platypod.com, or head over to Amazon or our favorite store in the world, b&hphoto.com.